Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. So my friend Niki D of Niki D Art messaged me about a week ago and said she loved the swiped wave that I just did, and she loves the way I do them, and she thought it'd be really cool to see them in different colors. Well, I think that's a great idea. I come from a beach town, so the waves sell pretty quickly around here, and they want them to look like beach waves. But I think it'd be really fun to do a colorful series of them. So I'm going to do a small series, 12 by 12s, kicking it off with a rainbow. So I'll list all my colors in my description box, but they're the rainbow colors. The orange is I think it's a Modern Masters, and it's a metallic. So that one actually, it comes out really, really pretty, this wave. So if you're new here, I'd love for you to like and subscribe and comment. And I have plenty of videos where I do other waves and other things. I do have a rainbow wave. I'll link it here. It was inspired by Molly's artistry, where she uses a blow dryer. So I used a blow dryer on that one. But when I do my waves, I'd like to swipe with a palette knife, and that's how I'm going to be doing these in this series. Probably do like 4. Not sure what colors yet, but if you have any suggestions, give me a comment below and see if I can make that happen. All right, guys, have a great one, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye-bye.
Of you, oh my, our bodies interlace, slow and easy, and I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful, I can hear you within the silence. hear you within the silence. Ooh.